Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to search course in Khan Academy app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you are already signed into your Khan Academy account. Now, let's get started. Open your Khan Academy app. Here we go. At the bottom, you can see search. Tap on that. Here you can see different courses available, but if you want to search the course that is not available here, you can tap on the top search bar and type it. Tap on search if you are done. Here you can see different courses. Here you can search for another course which is not available here. Tap on search. In this way, you can search for a course in Khan Academy app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.